Hey everyone, it's Yoselin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this summer hair wrap. It's really easy to do and you only need like 3 things. So if you want to learn how to do this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so what you need to do this is embroidery string. I'm just going to be using white. You can use any color you want. You can even use multiple colors, but I'm just going to be using one. You're also going to need scissors and a hair tie for the braid. And I'm also going to add this cute little charm at the end of mine. You don't have to do this, but I'm just going to add this on at the end. Now that I've showed you guys everything you need, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I like to lift up a piece of hair and then get the hair under it just so it's not as obvious. And then I'm going to braid it. It's just a regular braid, that way all the hair is together. The thicker you make the braid, the more noticeable it's going to be in your hair. But I'm just going to do a thin braid. So I'm going to braid this. Also using white, that way it's more noticeable in my hair since my hair is dark. I have a lot of other hair wrap videos in case you guys want to see those, but right now I'm just braiding this so that all the hair is together. Okay, so now I braided it, so I'm going to tie it off with a hair tie, and then we're going to start the hair wrap. I used to film a lot of these videos because Outer Banks was really popular at the time, and it's still popular, it's just that they haven't come out with a new season, so maybe when they come out with a new season, I'll do more Outer Banks videos. But I'm getting my white string, and you want to make this double your hair length. I have like medium length hair, so I'm going to make sure to make this double my hair length, so you can just kind of hold it up and measure it. It's better to cut more because you don't accidentally want to cut less and have to start all over. I'm just using one string. You can double it or even triple it by getting more strings and cutting them all the same length. So you just want to make a regular knot, get the string, pull it through and knot it. Try getting as high as you can get on the braid like that. And then I'm going to lift the braid up. I just do that to make sure it's secured in place. So I do another knot under the braid. It's just a regular knot, so I do that. I tighten it like so, and if it slides down, you can just move it up. Our braid and our 2 strings, you're just gonna wrap this around. This is way longer than my hair. There's that much extra. This doesn't take as much string as the other hair wraps I've done. I've done some where I wrap it all the way around, but this one you're just gonna be wrapping it around the braid and you're still gonna be able to see the braid under. It's kind of like you're making an X with this. You're basically braiding with the string, and you can make it close up if you want. But yeah, it's gonna look like this. And I don't have a mirror, so I'm kind of trying to look over here. So I'm just gonna keep braiding it all the way until I get to the bottom of my hair. I'm not really being too careful with how the pattern looks. If you want to be more careful, you can like make sure that the pattern looks good. But this is so easy to do. Like this does not take long at all. I could probably do this in 2 minutes. I just keep wrapping it around, and I'm gonna show you guys how to add the charm on. You don't have to add a charm on the end of yours, but I am, just to add something different. What I do is I'm gonna get the end of this. I get my little bead. I got this off of a bracelet. You're gonna put this on the string, and you can wrap it like one more time. So there's my little charm. It's super cute. And then to finish this off, I'm just going to tie a knot. I'm gonna cut my string a little bit shorter because it's really long, but I'm just gonna finish it off with a knot, the same knot that we did at the top of my hair. And you can go on the other side and knot it again. If you don't want to have any flyaways in your braid, when you braid your hair, you can add gel to it. That way it holds the flyaways down. What I like to do at the end of it is hold the 2 strings together and do a knot like this. That way I make sure it doesn't come undone. So once I tie it, I'm just gonna cut this string because it's just excess string. You don't need that. I'm also gonna change the elastic to a clear one just because I feel like you can see this one a lot. and I don't really want that. The other hair wraps they do take a lot longer. So if you want to know how to do an easy one that doesn't take a lot of time but still looks really cute in the hair, you can try this one out since it's super simple. And I also left hair at the bottom just because that way my hair is all kind of the same length. This is how it looks in the hair. It's really cute and great for the summertime. That is how you do this. This is the finished hair wrap, and it has the little charm at the bottom. These are also really easy to remove. You just cut the knot at the bottom and it should just unravel. So you can also shower and swim with these since it's just embroidery string. It does last a really long time if you just keep it in your hair. Usually I keep mine in for about a week. I shower and I swim and I do all that and it never comes out. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. I don't do a lot of like summer hair tutorials anymore just because I've kind of done a lot of them, so there's not that many left to do. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. So that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!